If you haven't had a trim in a while, I would definitely look at your calendar and calculate how long it's been, because for me it was over 3 months and I didn't realize I try and get a trim every 3 months, and the last time I did it myself, so that's what I'm doing today. It has been since November since I did a trim, and the way you know is in the shower when you're washing your hair and it just doesn't detangle. It doesn't detangle and it's just, oh my goodness, it's a nightmare. So this will save your water bill. Now let me preface this by saying I am not a professional, as you will see. I am going off of Mains by Mell's video, which I did last time. I'll put the link in down below. It's gonna look a little different than hers because of course my hair texture and curl pattern is very different, so it takes a little more detangling time. You brush out your hair, make sure it's detangled before you do anything, and whether you're trimming your hair yourself or going to a professional, you can just prep your hair at home and it saves time, as I did. This was from the day before. With natural hair, it can take a long time to do like everything, so it's always good to have some form of entertainment or company. So that's why it looks like I'm talking to myself. I'm on the phone, so that's all. And that's so much better than doing just the curl by curl trimming, because you'll always miss something. So this way it's even and it's building a good shape for what I like. And as it's slowly coming along, it's so nice to see, because your girl was wearing a dusty bun for far too long, and that does not help the ends. It just doesn't. They're just rotting, basically. They're not, I'm just saying that, but it's just, you know, you need to make sure that you're taking up the time that you have available to do a trim and do some care on your hair. These are the end results after I did my wash and go, and I was really happy with the shape, and that's how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.